Hi guys, come with me. Let's make the trending Patewo hairstyle. I don't know the particular name for this hairstyle, but today my client said she wanted it, so come let us make it together. So first, I already pulled our extension, and I'm going to divide our hair into two parts, and I'm starting off with one part first before I go to the other part. So I'll be making cornrows, like a medium cornrows on each of the hair that I've parted. And I'm making cornrow, adding my extension little by little till I get to my desired thickness. So guys, that is how I'm going to be repeating this step till I finish the whole hair. So sit, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. If you are returning subscribers, you are welcome, and if you are new here, you are also welcome. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I will see you at the end of the video.
Our Lord Emmanuel.
guys, we are done with the cornrow, and I'll go ahead and twist the extension that is remaining, so I'll twist it and make a bun for her, because that's the style. So we're not meant to finish the tip of the extension. At the end of the day, we are going to twist it and make a bun out of it. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. Thank God for this particular day. It's a Sunday and my girls don't usually come, so my auntie came around and she was one that gave us the attachments that we use for this particular hairstyle, because my client said she cannot give me attachment that she don't know how to do it. So I said, okay, since my auntie's there, she offered to help, and thanks to her, the hair was fast because of her. Okay, so yeah, we're already twisting and it is time to make our bun. I'm already rolling them, and then I'm using needle and thread to tack them together, and I'm going to be bringing out some chum out of the hair, and I will dip them inside hot water. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see them. I didn't really bring out much because I don't want it to be too much. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Hope you like this hairstyle. Are you going to be trying it out? If you are going to be trying it out, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.